Ah, my camera is rubbish. We are on the top floor. The tiles are done. No ceiling yet, but there's roof. Got the bonus tray on. Got the view below. Not finished. Not finished. The window glasses are on. Same. Painted a little, not too finished. Tiles are done. Roof deck just needs grouting. That's it. And then we go downstairs. Done. Going to second floor. We have stairs now. The glasses are on. And the roof is done. Second floor. Tiles are done. The window is on. Close windows. And there's the door. Door. Tiles are done. Bench na. That's okay. Nagawa tong other side. Have the roof deck and tiles. Second floor. Toilet. Hindi pa na ilalagay yung mga but it's all tiled up. Ilalagay na lang yung mga toiletries. Second floor pa rin. Roof is very nice. All done. Glass. Tapos. Tapos nila yung painters are doing the stairs area. And then all the rooms are done. Saan yung kinakabit? But may mga glass na siya. With glass na lahat. Just needs aircon and installation ng toilet. Finishing. Almost there. Same room. With glass na. All with glass. Nice. Tapos na yung mga room. There's a big room. There's my kama. May pang kama. That's room. first floor